Hey friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is totally 100% improvised because I bought some jeans at the store. I've really been wanting to get some wide leg jeans and I thought I found a pair that I really liked. And then I tried these on and they were actually perfect. They were just way too long. And so I have a sewing machine. So I figured out a way to take them in. I checked out Pinterest, gave me a few ideas, and I had done this before, but it had been a while. And so I kind of had to look it up a little bit how to do it, but I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should just kind of film it and share with you all how I take in these pants. It's not 100%, how do I say it, professional, but it does the job because it keeps the hem, the original hem and lining on the pants, which is what I wanted. And so it came out great. That's why I'm showing you this video. So if you want to see how I take in my pants, or my jeans, my wide leg jeans, then keep watching. All right guys, so here are the jeans. They are advertised as a low wide leg. And so I'm not petite, but for some reason, all these pants are usually just super long. And so look how long they are. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through how I take them in. All right guys, so I folded them up to where I want them. I want them to kind of drag a little bit, but not too much so that they're kind of uncomfortable. So I think I like this length. And I figured that I want to take away about 6 centimeters. So I used my measuring tape right here, and I'm going to be taking out or hemming them 6 centimeters. Oh, it's kind of blurry. 6 centimeters, okay? And I'm gonna show you now how I measured it. Okay, so here are the jeans. I took them off, unrolled them, and I measured the 6 centimeters from this line all the way up, and I made a line right across. I also went up 1 centimeter. This is the second line that I drew because I'm going to match this to this one to kind of give me a little bit of cushion to keep in mind this little hem right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it and I'm going to match this this stitch to the second line, just like that. All right, here we go. So I have done my best to match this stitch to this second line right here. Okay, another way that you could do to make sure you got the right measurements is the total measurement was 6. Well, the initial one was 6 plus the 1 centimeter is 7. And so this should be about 3.5. It's about 3.5, give or take. All right, so let's go ahead and go to our sewing machine and we're going to stitch all around this line down here. All right, so this is the final product. As you can see, this is where the hem was, or where I took it in. And then this is what it looks like on the other side. So I cut this here. I reinforced this this stitch. I did it twice just in case. I cut it and then I ironed this down, and then I ironed this flat. And there we go. All right guys, so that's about it. They came out amazing. I actually wore them today. I took them in yesterday and I showed you now the day after. I wore them today and they were perfect. And so let me know if you guys try it. Thank you all for tuning in. I will see you all in my next video. If you want to be part of this family, go ahead and hit the subscription button so you can subscribe to my channel. If you need prayer, hit me up through social media or email me. All that information is in the description box below. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. I share a lot more of my life and just a lot of content there as well. So if you're there, just go ahead and follow me. All right, love you all. See you on my next video. Bye.